Hello, so guys, today we are going to discuss chapter state of matters. Now, point out the heading. First, different type of interaction in between the molecules means intermolecular forces, types of intermolecular forces. Now, first, dipole 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 interaction dipole dipole interaction, and second one is dipole induced dipole dipole interaction, and third one is ion dipole ion induced dipole dipole interaction, and next one is dispersion force or dispersion forces or London forces. And the last one is hydrogen bonding. Okay. Now, here these forces also consider in van der Waal forces. Van der Waal forces. Now, one by one point out and study details. First, dipole dipole interaction. What is dipole dipole interaction? In generally, in case of polar molecules, how to identify the interaction in between the polar molecules. Okay. So, now first heading dipole dipole interaction. Now, dipole dipole interaction, how to define dipole dipole interaction. Dipole dipole interaction arise in between the two polar molecules. Understood? Dipole dipole interaction arise in between the two polar molecules. The positive end of the one molecules which interact negative end of the another molecules. Now, here point out the definition in single line. Dipole dipole interaction, dipole dipole interaction, dipole dipole interaction arise in between two polar molecules, in between two polar molecules. Okay. In between two polar molecules, positive end of the one polar molecules, positive end of the one polar molecule which interact to negative end of the another polar molecules, These type of forces is called dipole forces. Dipole forces, or it is also called Kimson forces. Okay. Now here Kimson is the name of scientist. Understood? Kimson forces arise in between the two polar molecules. Now point out. Okay. On the basis of examples, point out the examples. Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Now here one of the polar molecules, this is the polar molecules. Now here one end is positive end and another one end is negative end. This is the molecules molecule A, two molecules. Okay. And now here this is the molecule B, now here this is the negative pole and here this is the positive pole. In between the positive and negative, interaction occur. Now another condition also create, positive end here negative end, and this is the negative end and here positive end. In between positive and negative, here in between positive and negative, this is the Kimson force. Okay. Kimson forces. Now another examples can also be write. Now this is the molecules A, here positive end, here negative end. And now here another molecules may also be assigned, this is the positive end and here this is the negative end. In between the two molecules, the forces arise. Now here the forces arise, these forces are called Kimson forces. Kimson forces. Okay. Now this type of forces, are also called dipole-dipole forces. Now here dipole-dipole forces are dipole-dipole interactive forces, attractive forces. Now this is also called dipole-dipole attractive forces, attractive forces. Okay, but now in this type of molecules assigned on the board, here this is the negative pole, here this is the positive pole, and next one is here negative pole and here positive pole. Now this is the dipole-dipole repulsive force. One to another are repel. One to another are repel. This is dipole-dipole repulsive forces. Okay. Now in case of HCl molecules, point out one of the example. Okay. Now remove one word. Okay. Example 1 or example, point out examples. Here HCl. H bears a partial positive charge and Cl bears a partial negative charge. Okay, this is the one molecule HCl, and another one molecules may also be write H here Cl, H also bears a partial positive charge and Cl also bears a partial negative charge. Negative end of the one molecules, negative end of the one molecules which interact with positive end of the another molecules, the interaction in between the two polar molecules called dipole-dipole interaction. Okay. Now in this case Cl interact with hydrogen of the another molecules, Cl interact hydrogen H plus, Cl negative, that is negative end which interact with positive end of the another molecules. Now here this type of force is called what? Kimson force. Kimson force or dipole-dipole. Now here dipole, now here dipole attractive force. Okay, attractive force. Many molecules of the HCl which interact one to another. Okay. Now next one is example, another example can also be right. Now here carbon, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, one of the here Cl. Cl bears a partial negative charge and carbon bears a partial positive charge. But and in case of another molecules, here carbon, here hydrogen, here Cl, here hydrogen and here hydrogen. Okay, Cl bears negative charge and carbon bears next molecules. Here C, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here Cl and carbon bears partial positive and Cl bears partial negative. And now negative In this case, try to see here, negative end of the one molecules which interact positive end of the another molecules. Now Cl which interact with carbon of the another molecules, and now here Cl bears a partial negative charge which interact with another CH3Cl molecules. The interaction arises in between the negative Cl ion and the positive of the carbon of the another molecules. Okay, these type of forces are called Kimson forces or dipole forces. Kimson forces or dipole forces. Okay, now we will be discuss another heading, that is dipole induced dipole. Okay, thank you. Now write down next heading, point out next heading, dipole induced dipole. Okay, dipole induced dipole interaction. Try to understand dipole, that is one of the molecules is polar. One of the molecules is polar in nature. Now here dipole induced dipole. Induced dipole, that means these molecules are non-polar. Dipole, इसका सेंस है कि ये मॉलिक्यूल्स पोलर होगा, और इंड्यूस्ड डाइपोल दैट मींस ये मॉलिक्यूल आपका न्यूट्रल होगा, इसी मॉलिक्यूल्स की वजह से इस पर पोलैरिटी इंड्यूस करेगी. ओके, नाउ राइट डाउन डेफिनेशन. डाइपोल ओके, डाइपोल induced dipole, dipole induced dipole interaction, dipole induced dipole interaction arise in between two molecules, in between two or more in between two or more molecules, but one molecules have permanent dipole, have permanent have permanent dipole and another molecules are neutral. Okay? In between polar and non-polar, attraction arise. This type of attraction is called Debye attraction. Or Debye forces Okay, try to understand again. Dipole, induced dipole interaction always arise in between the two molecules. इस तरह के अट्रैक्शन एराइज होंगे दो तरह के मालिक्यूल, इस तरह के अट्रैक्शन एराइज होंगे टू मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में, बट ये कंडीशन है कि वन ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स इज पोलर, एक मॉलिक्यूल्स पोलर होना चाहिए और अनदर मॉलिक्यूल्स इज नॉन पोलर, दूसरा मॉलिक्यूल्स नॉन पोलर होना चाहिए. One of the molecules is polar and another one of the molecules is non-polar. The polarity arise or polarity induced in non-polar molecules due to one of the polar molecules. Now on the basis of instance, now remove here. Okay. Thank you. Now here one of the molecules here. This is the polar. Polar having one end is positive and another one end is negative charge. And now next one is, this is the neutral molecules. Okay, this is the neutral molecules. Now neutral molecules comes close to the polar molecules. Okay. Now electron cloud of the neutral molecules or neutral atom which repel away from the initial position. Okay, so now you will get, now this is the polar molecules having positive end and now next one is having negative end. Okay, and the molecules can also be assigned here. This is the neutral molecules or non-polar molecules, non-polar molecule or atom. Now here this is the polar molecules, this is the polar molecules. Okay, and now here this is the neutral molecules, okay, or non-polar molecules. Non-polar molecules, non-polar molecules or atom. Now try to understand carefully positive end of the polar molecules which attract electron cloud of the neutral molecules or neutral atom. In another way, negative end of the polar molecules which attract nucleus, you know nucleus is positively charged, nucleus of the another molecules, negative end of the polar molecules which interact nucleus of the another neutral molecules or non-polar molecules. Now you will get a situation here, negative, positive, and then this is the here positive nucleus away from the here position, and now you will get one of the attraction. This is Debye attraction, okay, Debye forces, Debye forces. Now here nucleus of the another molecules, okay, dipole, induced dipole, dipole induced dipole, interaction, okay. Now example point out, just like as one of the molecules, this is HCl or HBr, okay. Now here HCl or HBr, any type of example can you take? Now here HBr partial positive charge and BR partial negative charge. No doubt this is the polar molecules, okay, this is the polar molecules, and another one of the molecules, suppose this is the nitrogen, okay. Now here nitrogen, here nitrogen, N2 molecules, this is the HBr molecules, okay, and now here this is the N2 molecules. Now Br is a negative charge which interact the nucleus of the nitrogen atom. Understood? Means in between the polar molecules and non-polar molecules, interaction also arises. The negative end of the Br which interact another non-polar molecules nucleus directly, okay. Nucleus, you know, nucleus is positively charged. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, ध्यान से समझिएगा इस बात को कि HBr पोलर है, Br निगेटिवली चार्ज और H पॉजिटिवली चार्ज. निगेटिवली चार्ज Br अट्रैक्ट किसको करेगा? ये करेगा नाइट्रोजन के न्यूक्लियस को। वाई? अराउंड द नाइट्रोजन इलेक्ट्रॉन रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस। नो डाउट कि इलेक्ट्रॉन इज नेगेटिवली चार्ज एंड न्यूक्लियस इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज। इंटरेक्शन ऑलवेज अराइज इन बिटवीन द अपोजिटली चार्जेस। ओके, तो नाइट्रोजन पॉजिटिव, न्यूक्लियस नाइट्रोजन का पॉजिटिवली चार्ज होगा। नाउ हियर Br नेगेटिवली चार्ज है, तो Br का जो नेगेटिव चार्ज है इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड, जो Br का इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड है अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस, वो नाइट्रोजन के न्यूक्लियस से इंटरैक्ट होगा, एक अट्रैक्शन फोर्स अराइज होगा। इसी टाइप के फोर्स को डिबाई फोर्स कहते हैं और इस टाइप के इंटरैक्शन को डाइपोल इंड्यूस्ड डाइपोल इंटरैक्शन कहते हैं। ओके, दिस इज द डाइपोल इंड्यूस्ड डाइपोल इंटरैक्शन। Debye forces. Okay, Debye forces. Point out. Okay. Now next we will be discuss ion induced dipole interaction. How to define ion induced dipole interaction? Okay. Now next heading, point out ion induced dipole interaction. Okay, thank you very much. कितने मिनट हुआ? हाँ, हो गया क्या? हाँ, हो भी गया था सर, 2 इंटरेक्शन